All right, welcome back. Here we have Meet the Dancers. Okay, real quick, let's quickly introduce ourselves. Let's start with...
I'm Lexie.
What's up, Lexie?
And I'm Rashel.
Cool. Real quick, your dance background. Okay, maybe a little bit about your history, how long you've been dancing, where you've been dancing, what styles and stuff like that. We'll start with Lexie.
I've been dancing since I was about like 9 or 8 years old, so about 10 years. And wait, I totally forgot what we were supposed to be answering. Wait, can we do that?
Yeah, so it's how long you've been dancing, what styles, where, who you learn from.
Oh, okay.
Maybe some of your inspirations too, so you could think about that too.
Alright, cool. Okay, I'm gonna restart then. Okay, so I've been dancing since I was like 9 or 8 years old, so about 10 years. And one of my inspirations for dance was definitely Beyonce growing up.
Beyonce.
Yeah.
For me, I've been dancing for like 12 years. I started out in Puerto Rico dancing hip hop and salsa, and then once I got here, I stopped, but I continued doing it like at my house, and I just learned dances on YouTube and stuff.
From YouTube,
Yeah.
okay. Any studios here, like before this class?
No.
No dance studio. Okay,
Except like back in Puerto Rico.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
back in Puerto Rico, you were at dance studios,
Yeah.
and that was hip hop. Did you do like ballet or jazz or anything like that
No,
before?
just hip hop.
Just hip hop.
Yeah, that's my main focus, pretty much.
Right. Dope. So let's go back to you two had, this is your first time with me here at Cabrillo, right? Okay. So before this, now you mentioned that you just basically at home with YouTube.
Yeah.
But Lexie, you have danced with dance troupe before, right?
Yes, I
So maybe
have.
talk a little bit about that.
My first dance group that I was ever dancing with was Waves of Illusion, located in Hollister, California. And but then they eventually moved, and then I kind of just started dancing on my own for a little bit, and then a new crew came around called Sonic Boom Crew, and then that's currently the crew that I'm on right now.
Okay. Now, I kind of want you guys to talk about when you guys are dancing on your own, right? So there's a period of time you were on your own, you're on your own as well. How did you do that? Because we have a lot of people online on YouTube that are trying to learn, but it's kind of difficult. Some of the difficulties that they face, you face as well. How did you overcome with that? Maybe you could talk about that. Maybe we'll start with you, Rashel.
I feel like for me, it's just like a matter of like dedication that you have to
Dedication,
dancing.
yeah.
So if you really want to learn to dance, you like have to put the time in, and you can't like slack.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. What would you say, like when you were serious? How often would you practice, and how long would you practice when you did practice?
If I were talking like at home, it would be like I would try and do it all the time, like just right in front of a mirror and like listen to the song, and usually just freestyle. But in Puerto Rico, I would train 3 times a week for 3 hours each day. So,
Okay, that's with the studio.
Yeah.
But when you're on your own, it's just
my own time.
On your own time. Okay. All right. Good, Lexie.
Yeah, pretty much the same as Rachel. I usually would practice like on my own time, and probably freestyling would definitely help me become, because I feel like the best person you can learn from is yourself, because you can learn from your mistakes and you can just improve from that. And so when I would practice on my own, I would just freestyle in front of the mirror like Rachel said, and just hope that I can get better.
Right.
And sometimes I would like videotape myself, so I would go back and like try and fix something that I could.
I always say that's the best teacher if you videotape yourself. How often do you guys do that though?
Not that often.
Not that often, right?
But I used to.
Yeah, it's easy to say it. I know it's really hard to do, but when you guys did do it, did you guys see tremendous results?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I would say for those that really want to get better, the number one tip would be film yourself and study yourself, right? What was your first initial reaction when you first saw yourself on video though?
Wow.
Yeah. I was kind of in shock. Like I couldn't really believe that was me. 'Cause, like
Right.
in my head and like seeing everyone else or just seeing a mirror is so completely different than like watching myself.
Right, and I think that's the case with everybody, right? But then you got to get over that, right? It's kind of like the first time you hear yourself speak
Or
as
on
well.
a video or something.
Yeah, right. But once you come over that, then it's like you get to a point, right? You guys get to a point where you're like, dude, I look pretty good. And that's where you guys want to be, for sure. All right, cool. Okay, so let's end with this. Maybe a tip for somebody who's starting, right? Maybe they're even too shy to even take the first real dance class, physically. Because it's a lot easy to just stay behind YouTube and just watch and watch and watch. So what are some of the tips that maybe you guys could give? Maybe we'll start with you, Lex.
A tip that I would give is probably to just go for it. Get out of your comfort zone. You gotta do things that you don't normally want to do because I feel like that pushes you as a person to like want to do something. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
And if like taking a class is too much, try and like come up with some friends and then you guys can join together.
Yeah.
That way it's not like a whole like 30 people class.
Yeah.
Instead you're like more comforting like your friends.
Just a few friends that are willing to try a little something. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Let's get back to class. Bye.